I'd like to talk in this video about a suturing technique we use for robotic ventral hernia while sewing in mesh. I like to call it the sewing machine technique. Others have called it the dolphin technique. But in either event, the needle goes in and comes right back out of the mesh, and we're going to go in a straight line rather than over the edge. But as you can see, we often start out in our learning curve sewing kind of like you just saw there, with a whole lot of different grabs on the needle. So if you actually count them here, you'll see that there's one here, and then we're going to take our other hand and kind of pull it all the way through, and then take 2 or 3 more times to reposition it in the hand that's sewing. So let's do that a little differently and grab the needle a whole lot less times by just keeping it straight, and with your non-dominant hand, pull it straight out of the tissue, and instead of winding up the needle, just kind of unwind it and hand it back to your dominant hand that's sewing, which is here on the left. So we're going to throw the needle through, and then instead of winding it, just unwind it and hand it right back. Another key here is with your non-dominant hand, pulling it all the way through and leaving room on the needle where you can grab it with your dominant hand about 3/4 of the way back. A lot of people grab it kind of in the middle of the needle, and you won't get the needle all the way through. You'll have to let go and re-grab and push it. So there you have it, suturing the mesh, made simple, at least a little more simple. And if you'd like any more information on this or other robotic techniques and things, you can visit clarkerhart.com.